Welcome to another edition of English Makes No Sense and another look at an idiom. An idiom, yeah, another one. Come on. Today's idiom is on a roll. On a roll. You know I like things on a roll. I like ham on a roll, butter on a roll, but not that kind of roll. No, on a roll means to be on a lucky streak. What? Yeah, things are going well for you. If you are on a roll, things are going your way. Things are going smoothly for you. Think about something rolling and rolling, and it just keeps rolling until something gets in the way. You're on a roll. Or think of rolling dice. When you roll dice, you have more and more opportunities. Keep on winning, keep rolling. Got it? Why do we say on a roll? I just told you. Why do I enjoy this saying so much? I don't know, but now you can read and understand this sentence, I hope. The goalie and his team were on a roll. The goalie was stopping everything. What? Come on, English. When have you been on a roll? Leave it in the comments.